I'm Jack, Design and Communications Leader for the Design Build Compete project for ME4042, and our car, the Hooksneck. My team consists of Leslin as team leader, John, our mechanical designer, as well as Connor and Sennan on drawings, and of course, myself. We had to work to the specifics of the brief. The car had to be fast and light. It also needed to be built from the limited amount of material we had. And of course, it needed to carry the bottle up the ramp, the whole point of the project. We set to work discussing ideas for the chassis and how to make it work well with the least amount of material we could. We set out our designs and John got to work on the calculations to make sure everything checked out. Once everything looked good, Connor and Sennan got working on the drawings. They did a really great job, and we were able to work straight from the drawings when we were building the car, which made things super easy. We then got to building it. Here's John marking the base piece out on it using the height gauge. He's now cutting out the base and the guillotine. And here's the slot getting cut out for the pulley to fit in. We took material off the side to reduce the weight. This would allow us to get a more powerful driving force and much less weight. We then filed the weight to get a smooth finish on the edges. Taking out the hole in the base taught us some new manufacturing techniques, like using the nibbler to get to the material on the inside without having to cut from an edge. We then filed it out so that the bottle would sit just right in the hole. All the parts had to be marked out, drilled and bolted together. We also had to use a deburring tool to take out the sward from the back so that everything would fit together neatly. And of course, using the machines, safety was a top priority. There were some challenges along the way, like trying to get everything to fit right, as well as things that seemed easier on paper than they actually were. Coordination of the project also took some work, getting everyone on the same page, working towards the same goal. Learning the necessary skills also took some time. I learned so much from the experience though. Working on a project with the team would be invaluable in the future, and working specifications gave me a really good real-life experience, similar to the workplace. I also learned new manufacturing techniques in the workshop, and of course, putting together the video was something I hadn't done before. But I decided to use skills I already had, and I recorded the soundtrack myself. And here you can see the finished product of the car, coming together piece by piece. All that's left now is for us to race it. Thanks so much for your time.